Hello friends, welcome to Travel Vasi. It's a day 2 of Kongan ride starting from Udupi to Kumta, which is near to Gokarna. Let's move on to the videos.
Now, who can explain me the hand signals? Voluntarily. Anybody? Yeah. Somebody? One by one. One hand signals, please.
Stop.
Yeah.
Left, right,
Yeah.
that's it.
Caution.
And,
Hazard.
and
Down.
some show the toe and some show the hand or something like that. There's a bit there.
Single line.
I
There are
need
so
to
many others. In the future rides, I will explain you those. First, you practice these. But these are basics. These are basic hand signals. There are so many hand signals.
Ganesh, I need to add few more thing what you're saying.
Yes.
Guys, we have come here to really enjoy the ride, not to met with an accident or something. It's a fraction of second is enough for us to fall and get away with the thing what is happening. So I've seen is all the guys are ripping. There's no ripping. There's no prize for whoever goes first or who's coming last. So you need to maintain the lane discipline. Maintain both hands to be on the handle. You will not know what the next moment would be. Please be cautious. And all this road, what we are taking now is slippery because of continuous rain. You feel that you have confidence, but a fraction of second is enough for everything to happen. And lane, only one lane discipline should be followed. No two lanes. When he is slowing down, it doesn't mean that the other guy should overtake it. He is slowing down because he has a purpose. He is seeing something, that is why he is slowing down. So it means all the troop has to slow down and follow the thing what is happening. It doesn't mean that somebody is slowing down means to overtake. No. Kindly guys, maintain this discipline or else we'll be meeting with some accident and we'll not be enjoying this ride. We have come here to enjoy, let us enjoy and go back home safely. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We target to reach Kumta 5 or 6 max. Right? All the best, guys.
All the best.
So the actual Konkan route starts from today. Right? Chalo, all the best, guys.
Okay guys, one more thing. Benelli, India. Benelli, India. Benelli, India. Benelli, India. Let's get it. Benelli.
Now we reached Malpe Beach, which is 7 km from our hotel Ocean Pearl. After this Malpe beach, we had our lunch in Machali. Here you can have different varieties of seafood. Kerala riders are happy on seeing the state students and they had a snap with us. Next, we are heading towards Maravanti beach. Every riders are busy in taking photos and videos. Here you can see the funny videos of riders in Maravanti beach. After all this enjoyment, I found that my bike key is missing. We have searched everywhere but no luck. Finally, technician from Benelli helped me to start my bike without key. On the way, I found a keymaker shop where I make a duplicate key. Now we are moving towards Murdeshwar temple. This road is really good for bike ride. This is all about second day ride from Udupi to Kumta. Today we have covered total distance of 139 km. Here you can see one of the riders' rear brake pad is repaired. The technicians are repairing it for the next day ride. All the lines will be ready for the third day ride, which will be posted in next videos. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your feedback with us. Thank you.